Hey everyone, we have some JDM Integra headlights finished up today. Customer sent these in. Obviously, these were used, and these were the factory halogen projector models. So we did a 3-inch bi-LED projector retrofit, upgrading the factory halogen projectors to proper bi-LED projectors. So much better, improved light output. We also have profile pivot switchback halos, so demoing that operation here. Typically these would be wired to a turn signal, so we're kind of demoing that operation. So turn signal here and turn signal on the other light. You would get the blinking amber operation for the halos and go back to white as a DRL. We also refinished the bezels internally. These were like chrome, and typically these lights, just given their age, they have a lot of chrome internal damage. So when that is apparent on the lights that you send in, we'll just repaint the entire internals black. So they have been blacked out, look really nice and clean. We also did a lens restoration on these, so these had significant like yellowing and just overall damage. These also have a bit of crazing. Unfortunately, that can't be fixed by a restoration, but these did clear up a lot better than the condition they were sent into. So yeah, getting that lens restoration, obviously clearing up the lenses does improve the light output. You definitely don't want to do a retrofit and then deal with the old hazed and clouded lenses. It's going to affect the output. So if you guys have Integra with the JDM headlights, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can order this service package on our website, which you can opt for the lens restoration if you need it, and you'll get our bi-LED projector retrofit. And there's obviously other customization options that you can add, such as these halos that this customer wanted. So if you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.